Hello students, welcome to Math Beyond Marks. Today we are going to learn how to convert word problems into equations from class 8 linear equations chapter. Many students feel statements are difficult just by reading them. But remember, statements are nothing but English. If you understand the sentence clearly, forming the equations becomes very easy. In this video, I'll show you a simple three-step method to translate English into mathematics. Shall we start the video? Yeah. Yes. First, let me take this example. Father is 2 times the age of son. This is a word problem in linear equation. We are going to form an equation, but this statement alone, whether it can give an equation or not, let us see. What they say, father is 2 times the age of the son. Here they are comparing two people, that means father and son. We don't know both of their ages, and moreover, they didn't give any other condition. Suppose they didn't give any other condition. Up to this, what you can do? Suppose if you assume that son age, because why I am assuming son's age means he only will be smaller. Here, naturally, father's age will be more than the son's age. Son's age is equal to x, then father's age is equal to father's age is equal to 2 times of x. That's all. This is what we can understand from this statement. This statement gives this much only for by 1. Now, in this question, is it possible to do anything with the question means no, that's all. So for that, what we are going to do? Suppose if they ask like this, father is 2 times the age of the son and their total ages, both of them together, total age is 60. Suppose if they give like this, then you can try to solve the sum. You can make it, if son equal to 1, father will come 15, no, 2 only. 2 times only, no, not possible. So that means we cannot go on guessing 1, substituting 1 2 times, 2 4 3 6 5 10, like that you cannot. So what is that? The 2 times the age of the son and the total, the sum of their ages is 60, means we are going to take x son age and 2x father age, both together. When you add it, you are going to get 60. Now this side, expressions, same variables, like variables can be added. X plus 2x will become 3 times of x, 1 times of x and 2 times of x, it will become 3 times of x, that is 60. When you divide it, that bring 3 here, it will divide and x will become automatically 20. That means what you can understand now, the son's age, if the son's age is 20, here this is only applicable in this case, and father age will become 40, 20 plus 40, totally it becomes 60. That's all this sum. So every sum will have one unique answer. Only one answer will be there for this condition. Suppose if they give another condition, then there will be some other answer also. Suppose we don't know, sir, what if you assume that father age equal to father's age is equal to x. What about son's age? Son's age will be, okay, son's age will be, that means, okay, if father's age is equal to father's age equal to x, son's age will be, what will happen? No, son's age will be half of the father. Why? Because father is 2 times. Now only it will be possible. You can go on doing. Are you able to understand? I hope you would understand. Like this, you frame a few sentences and give that in the comment section. And try to read as many as possible, frame it. That will be very easy for you. Take your book and read the questions now. It will be very, very easy. Now I'll write in the next video. I will write so many sums and give one by one how to decode from statement to expression and then to equation. My dear children, take this example. That is next example I have taken. Please go through this sum. The sum of two numbers is 20. If one number is 4 more than the other, I will not if one number is 4 more than the other. The sum of two numbers, here they gave the sum also, that means it is a complete equation. Okay, sum of two numbers is 20. We don't know what is the first number plus second number is equal to 20. Suppose first number is x. What about second number? Second number is x plus 4. That means comparing to first number, second number is 4 more, or comparing to second number, first number is 4 more. One number, here they didn't say first number are there. The previous example you have seen father and mother. It is easy to say that son will be less in age and father will be more in age. But to compare that only, this example is being taken. Now here two numbers means just like that you can fix any number. First number plus second number now is equal to 20. That means what about that one? X plus 4. 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4 equal to 20. 2x equal to 4 goes that side, it will become minus, that will become 16. Therefore, x equal to 8. That means what? First number, that is one number. One number equal to 8. One number, that is first number equal to, first one equal to 8. What about the second one? Second one is 4 more than the first one. 4 more means it is 12. Here also it is 2x only, no? X plus 4. Either it is x plus 4 you can consider. That means here it is 8 and x plus 4 is 12. Therefore, and you check now the sum is 20. This is a beautiful question. Are you able to understand now? The sum of two numbers is 20. If one number is 4 more than the other, just find that numbers. So first number plus second number equal to 20. X plus 4 equal to 20. That's all we are deriving, and the first number and second number as 8 and 12. Will it be any other answer for this? Means there is no chance at all. For this condition, this is the only answer which is applicable. Now you would have seen that word problems are not difficult. We just need to understand the language and frame the equation correctly. If this method helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Math Beyond Marks for clear and concept-based mathematics learning. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson in linear equations. See you in the next class. Until then, bye from Pragasam.